क्या आपको पता है कि कंप्यूटेशनल फ्लूइड डायनेमिक्स की मार्केट किस पेस से बढ़ रही है? कंप्यूटेशनल फ्लूइड डायनेमिक्स, जिसे हम CFD भी बोलते हैं, इसका मार्केट साइज इज़ गोइंग टू बी 3.8 बिलियन बाय 2030 and it is going to be increased by a growth rate of 5.33% in next 5 years. And you will wonder, this number is going to be more pronounced because of the booming industries like electric vehicle. Can you imagine that? So, if you're looking to pivot or grow your career in computational modeling, we are here for you. We at Paanduv Applications offer a unique curriculum under Paanduv Applications Advanced Academic Program, also known as PA3P, that helps individuals become familiar with CFD using OpenFOAM. OpenFOAM is an open source CFD software which is available free of cost and it is completely customizable. Most importantly, these sessions are going to be live and hands-on by our well-experienced and excellent trainers so that you can clarify your doubts right there. Just click the link below to register yourself to learn OpenFOAM and give another dimension to your career.